Not every carpenter wants to sit at a desk and study, but if you're aiming for Red Seal certification, this is the one time you'll want your pencil as sharp as your chisel. Carpenter Red Seal exam prep doesn't need to feel overwhelming. It's about building a strategy, just like framing a house, one section at a time, one tool at a time, until you're ready to step confidently into exam day. Let's start with the basics. Red Seal exams are national. That means once you pass, your certification is valid across all provinces and territories. No need to recertify if you move for work or opportunity. And in carpentry, mobility matters. The exam? It's usually 100 to 150 multiple choice questions. You'll have up to 4 hours to complete it. You'll be tested on everything from layout and joinery to safety codes and blueprint reading. You might see questions with images, measurements, or construction scenarios. What's the key to success? Preparation. Carpenters who pass often spend 3 to 6 months reviewing before the test. So how do you structure your Carpenter Red Seal exam prep? Break your study time into focused zones: safety procedures, hand and power tools, material handling, framing systems, and code compliance. Then set realistic weekly goals. And here's a tip that works. Don't just read. Write things down, draw diagrams, explain a concept out loud, even if it's just to yourself. You retain more when you teach what you know. Now, if it's been a while since you've studied, you're not alone. Many experienced carpenters go years without writing a formal exam. The good news? You already have the skills. The study guides just help you sharpen them. At redsealstudyguide.ca, you can download question and answer books tailored for carpenters. Choose the ones with explanations to really understand each answer. You can also simulate the real exam with online timed practice tests. They'll help you manage your pace and get used to reading construction scenarios under pressure. And here's the best part. Everything's digital. Review a question while you're on break at the site, or flip through code examples on your tablet at home. You study where it fits your schedule. Why put in the effort? Because a Red Seal opens doors. It can mean better wages, more respect on the job, and even paths into teaching, safety inspection, or four-person roles. Unions and employers alike often support Red Seal certified carpenters. Some offer tool reimbursements or extra training opportunities. And when job markets slow down, Red Seal certification gives you a competitive edge. You don't need to be a math whiz or code master to pass. You just need structure, confidence, and the right prep materials to guide you. So if you're getting ready to challenge the Red Seal, don't wing it. Get the tools that work, just like you do. redsealstudyguide.ca has carpenter-specific prep resources to help you study smarter, not harder. You already know how to build strong foundations. Now it's time to build your future, one question at a time.